Hey guys, Levi from the Rag Company, and in today's video, we are talking about the IK Multi TR1 360. So from that very long name, this is a TR1 that does not foam, hence the multi, meaning that multiple varieties of chemicals can go in this bottle. The extra number at the end, 360, means that it's got a 360-degree nozzle at the end here, or pickup straw, that can go in all different angles, which is really great. So this way, if you're spraying upside down, you've got product. If you're all the way upside down, it'll be able to pick up and still be able to get those great sprays that you've been wanting from your sprayer. The awesome thing about the IK sprayer is it's got that nice flat bottom base so it doesn't tip over. It's also completely custom injection molded, so it's extremely durable and very strong and won't actually suck in like some of the cheaper bottles when they're full of product. The other great thing is with the sprayer, they've created and added on this little piece right here that adds some comfort, especially for old hands like mine, who, when this bottle's heavy and full, it's a lot harder to hold, but they've eliminated that by adding this extra little piece. So now you get the best of everything that IK offers. You get their bottle technology, you get their 360 sprayer, you get their sprayer with the comfort grip attachment, and you get your plastic card so you can write and label exactly what it is. And it's reversible, so it can be red or green. This is one of the best bottles that you can buy today. It doesn't need to just be for detailing. You can put any household chemical or cleaner in it and use it in your household. And it also comes in various sizes. So pick one up today, try it out for yourself, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.